This tutorial uses a fully anonymous automotive example to show how a multi-level BOM in ERPNext becomes a verifiable monthly material quota. We do not enter a customer production system, and we do not present a custom report as an out-of-the-box feature. The target is specific. Plan 100 steering assemblies for the month, then verify every sub-assembly and raw material quantity. Step 1 is the Level 1 joint module. One joint module consumes 2 tubes and 4 nuts. These are per unit quantities. Item code, quantity, unit of measure, and the default submitted BOM must agree, because any error at this level will be multiplied by every parent level. Step 2 is the rod subassembly. One rod uses one joint module and one rod blank. The joint module is not treated as a flat raw material. Its own BOM is submitted, so ERPNext can continue exploding the structure while preserving the subassembly level for production planning. Step 3 is the finished steering assembly. One finished assembly uses 2 rod subassemblies and 2 boots. The structure now has 3 manufacturing levels: finished assembly, rod subassembly, and joint module. Tubes, nuts, rod blanks, and boots are the bottom level materials. Step 4 is the exploded BOM check. For one finished assembly, whose rods consume 2 joint modules, ERPNext therefore expands the structure to 4 tubes, 8 nuts, 2 rod blanks, and 2 boots. Verify this per unit result before calculating a monthly plan. It prevents double counting a subassembly together with its underlying raw materials. Step 5 creates the August production plan. Select the finished assembly and enter a planned quantity of 100. The planned start date is placed at month end. In a live project, this demand may come from sales orders, material requests, or a rolling forecast, but the calculation basis must be frozen for the period being reviewed. Step 6 checks subassembly demand. 2 rods per finished assembly means 200 rod subassemblies for a plan of 100. Each rod uses one joint module, so the joint module requirement is also 200. These quantities support layered work orders and capacity planning. They should not be mixed blindly into the purchasing list. Step 7 checks the bottom level material plan. The submitted multi-level BOM expands to 400 tubes, 800 nuts, 200 rod blanks, and 200 boots. This tutorial enables ignore available stock, so the table shows the pure BOM quota. To calculate net shortage, disable that option and let ERPNext deduct available and incoming stock. Finally, keep the capability boundary precise. The verify standard functions are submitted multi-level BOMs, a production plan, preserve subassembly levels, and exploded raw material requirements. A customer-specific monthly quota layout, automatic BOM revision comparison, approval trigger refresh, and performance for structures deeper than 20 levels still require separate design and validation. The reliable sequence is simple. Verify the per unit BOM, freeze the monthly quantity, then check subassemblies and bottom level materials separately. That makes the quota explainable, repeatable, and traceable.